Hello again. So, best thing about YouTube, of course, is learning stuff, all the tutorials and loads of good stuff on there. And it's also good when you're making videos, you get to learn, and sometimes you don't do it right. So, my last video where I changed the front brake pads on the Stylemas on the Speed Triple, got some really good comments about some things I could have done better. Number one was cleaning. I should have used soapy water apparently, so gonna do that again. And also centering the brakes, and this is something I didn't know about. So checked it online and also reading some of the brilliant comments I got, and there's a way of centering the calipers that means they're going to be absolutely even, otherwise you could get an uneven wear. So back to the drawing boards. Obviously we've got the new pads, we're just going to take them out, clean everything up properly, and then center them. So yeah, YouTube's good, isn't it? Let's get cracking. So what we're going to need is some warm water with some fairy washing up liquid, and we've got that in there. So everything's there. Maybe I should have done this while it's still on the floor, loosen them. We'll see. We'll see. Very carefully. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to push this in just enough, very carefully of course, so I can get the pads out, because I want as much of the pistons exposed as possible for cleaning. There we go. So one pad out, the next pad out. Now we're going to start cleaning it a hell of a lot better than I did last time. Already so much better in there. I could push the pistons out a bit more, but I'm not going to. Okay, so while that dries, we'll go and do the other side. I suppose you could go mad, couldn't you, and remove all of the springs and completely strip them, but I think that's a little bit possibly over the top. Alright, well what I'm going to do now is, just while I've got them off and this side has dried, is just see if a little bit of polish will bring them up just a tad better. Also the slight abrasiveness of the polish should also help get any final bits of dirt that I didn't manage to get to with the toothbrush. Okay. Nice. Right, so now what we're doing is we're going to get the calipers back on. Now the difference now is that we are going to just tighten this finger tight. So just get it in to about there, go back about an eighth. So there should be some wobble there, which there is. Do the same on the other side. Finger tight. Yep, we've got some wobble. Right, so what we're going to do now, spin the wheel, just checking that it's nice and free, and then we're going to start applying that brake until we've got full braking. Hello. Like so. Now that that's in place, we're going to tighten it, but not torque it yet. Oh, I'm just going to do all this with one hand. Come on. Okay. We're then going to go around the other side. And do the same. Spinning freely. So that's evenly wearing now. Well, there will be even wear. All 4 parts of the pads are dead straight. So now we can talk. So this time, when you look at that, I think that's the job done. Better this time. Thanks for everybody for the comments that allowed me to understand what I'd done wrong, or not done wrong, but where I was lacking. Like I said, that's what's fantastic about YouTube. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next one. See you later.